right, we got a serious leak here. So it is hot water that's leaking out. It's alive. It's a water supply. Let's see what we can do. I can see the water up there on the tub. So we're gonna go up and see what we can figure out. Okay, so I can definitely hear it. Now I'm just trying to find it. I felt it. Trying to see it. Somewhere right here. Let's just see here. I can feel it. I can see, I don't know if you can see it on the video, but I can see it right there. There it is, right there. I found it there. Yeah, 100% there's one right there. There's a leak. So, right there. So that's actually reachable. That's good. But I think there's another leak. Let's just see here. I think there's another one right here. No, maybe not. No. Oh, the customer's lucky. Okay, so we're taking this one off. And I want to cut this as close as I can to the end so that I don't lose pipe. There we go. There we go. Beauty. Open, off. Good. In case somebody needs that. All the taps have been opened, so these lines are full and they're pressurized and zero leaks. So this is pretty awesome. Disaster avoided. Yeah, so upstairs we would have had to cut open the drywall, and then it would just been a bigger repair. So the client's really fortunate I was able to access that the leak was accessible. So that's it. Have an awesome day.